Mandla comrades Commander Morning namhlanje bafowethu size nge-non compliant yenkampane ebizwa ngokuthi uVenus Security International. Le nkampane iphethwe indoda ebizwa ngokuthi ubani? Ukekane lo okade campaigner ngoMay ekampenela ukuba upremier kwezinye indawo efuna ukuba yilunga leShamthetho. Wathatha zonke imali ekufanele ngabe uyikhokhela abasebenzi nezimfuno zabasebenzi wakampaigna ngazo. Namhlanje akabonakali ukekane ukuthi washona. Sesimfune uma uke wamfonela uyayiblock, uma uke wamsendela ilokhuzi i-email uyayiblock. Kekane la ukhona ama-site wonke from Gauteng uze KZN uze eMpumalanga-ke uvele washaya ivala ngoba uvele wabaleka washiya amagade sekusebenzele 4 months ungawaholeli awu-300 e-Northwest, is it Northwest? eMpumalanga. So now sizalana-ke lokhuze Venus Security International. Sizothi thina one into yenzayo wena you tax people angafanele ngabe uyaba-tax. Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle untshontsha imali yamagadi. Uphinde futhi laba abantu obathexayo abekho kwi-tax brackets yakuphi yakwa-SARS kodwa wena uyaba-tax. Kusho ukuthi wena uphinde uzontshontsha imali yabasebenzi bakho. Number 2, you don't give them a provident fund, of which you are disadvantaging them. Sekhona abantu abasebenzela almost sebeqe ngisho ko 6 years 7 years besebenzela wena. Kodwa mabephuma namhlanje noma wena uphelelwa isite namhlanje bona bophuma kungathi abakaze baqale basebenze. Kuphinde kube i-UIF. But i-UIF as we talk ayikhombisi ukuthi la ekufanele ivele khona iyavela. Siphinde size kwilokhuze kuma issues afana ne kuma bonus. Uyaba laba abasebenzi bakhe ababonasile. Leyo mali owacampaigna ngayo ngoMay yiyo le yenza ukuthi bangabonasi laba abantu namhlanje. Ingane zakho kufanele zazi noma zidla zazi ukuthi ubaba kuneminye imizi ubaba ayivalile engadliwa kuyo. And labasebenzi uba owisha manje sekuye inyangeni ulokhu njalo ushintshe ama-date okhona. Namhlanje u15, namhlanje u20, mhla 25 nje kufanele bahola njengoba kumsombuluko. But they don't know whether bazokwazi ukuhola. Bafowethu sesikhathele yinkampani zama-security amnyama esizama ngayo yonke indlela njenge-MK Labour Desk ukuthi lezi inkampani sibafonele siba-emailele kodwa at the end of the day bangakwazi ukuresponda correctly ey'nkingeni zabasebenzi. Namhlanje abasebenzi bashiwe dengwane abaholelwe. PRASA we-PRASA nawe Eskom abasebenzi laba banigadela iy'phehlimandla lezi ndaweni ezibiza ngama-national key points abaholile. Ngisicela ukunazisa ukuthi abaholile and nani ni-responsible for ukuthi laba bantu bangaholi ngoba nani nine-responsibility yani na ye-monitoring and evaluation. Ngeke ubeke isiphehli bese unganaki ukuthi amagadi awaholile. Ubeka yonke umhlaba engozini yokuthi laba bantu kusho ukuthi bangadedela nombani angene endaweni erong. So bafowethu, we are here today to say enough is enough. Abasebenzi abanowishi lutho ukuthi bangaphila ngale ndlela abaphila ngayo. Ama-deductions abo ema-bank aphelile ngoba ayafika ama-accounts afika akukho lutho ebank alapsile. bafowethu, it's wrong what we are doing. Ngicela ke umuntu umndeni nje kaKekana obona nje umndeni kaKekana ngisho izingane zakhe ngoba ubaba omdala la ake iphuthume siyomtshela ukuthi baba into yenze kubantu abakusebenzelayo is not correct. Manager ke la ibizwa ngoba igama lakhe uJoseph Malachi khona njalo kulesi siphehli ke sasemnambiti Joseph Malachi. uJoseph Malachi unomathandana la okuyena osegada abasebenzi umathandana and is abusing abasebenzi ngomthandano wabo use-abuse abasebenzi and the same Malachi uMalachi lo uyena bethe uzosibona la elokuzeni eLady Smith and wabaleka purposefully uwavalile uyafonelwa akasatholakala because uyazi ukuthi into abayenzayo la abayenzi ngendlela ekhuluma nge-compliant kwi-national key point. So bafowethu, we are here to say we are not playing. We are not playing games. Buyisani imali yabantu. Abantu Monday kufanele bahole. Sikunikeza Kekane u-24 hours to pay all the workers. And singakuniki nje lo 24 hours. Sicela uPrasa no Eskom terminate i-contract yakho because awusatholakala. Inkinga kunabantu obakweleta izinyanga ezu4 about millions of rands. Izingane zabantu ezisale dengwane. Nalezi uyikweleta a lot of money. Hey bafowethu, it's enough now. So let's all come together in solidarity to fight injustices kwi-workplace. Amandla.